and welcome to the Philip Effect. In this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how to activate the mouse pointer on your Android phone. Alright, so let's just get into it. First you want to go to your settings. So I just put it here, you just click on settings. Right now we're on settings. You need to roll the screen up. So when you roll the screen up, you want to go to About Phone. The reason we're clicking on the About Phone is to activate the developer option. Without the developer option, you won't be able to get to this part where you can activate your mouse pointer. To activate the developers option on your phone, because your phone doesn't come with that activated part already, so we need to activate that on your phone. To do so, when you click on About Phone, like we've done to get to this point so far, you want to click on this builder option, this one here. You want to click as often as possible till you see developer option have been activated and you're now a developer. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast. I'll try to make it as short as possible. So let's just do so. Click. Now you need to put your password in. I've just done so. You can see you are now a developer. So all I need to do now is just to click back. This one here, I click back. All right, and now I click on system and updates. This one here, we're still in this settings page. Click on that just once, and now you can see now I have the developer option here. All right, so I just click on developer options once, and when you come to the developer options, you roll the screen. That's almost the last part of the page. You just need to click on show touches. When I unclick on the show touches, you can see the mouse pointer, but when I click on it now, show touches once, you can see the movement. Hopefully that was good for you and you can understand this process that was necessary. If you have any questions, please do so in the comment section and we'll try to solve it as fast as possible. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you don't miss future updates. Bless.